Ladies and gentlemen, we've just gone through and looked at how we can spawn a weapon and how that weapon can kill. That's great, because that's what a lot of games do. Obviously, we could change that around. Rather than it killing, it could do something different, couldn't it? Rather than it disappearing, it could turn into something different. Yeah. So for those of you that are trying to not have a violent game, but right now I'm going to introduce you to music and sound. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how you could how you can create some music or to create sounds, audio in your game. So if I go to the dungeon, here we go. I'm going to have a disco just in here. Yeah. Can you see this big box? This big box is called the dance area box. Yeah. And again, it's just like this box that's down here, this rise floor box. It's actually invisible, but it's there because what we're going to do is once the knight hits this box, it's going to turn on some music. Yeah, so that's basically why we've created this big space here. Yeah, so you can see there's a dance area box, and you can see that it's blank. Yeah, so we'll go back to writing our play. The event is going to be, I guess, that when our knight touches the dance floor box, we turn on some music. Yeah, so when the knight is on collision with the dance area box, sorry, then what's going to happen? Yeah, we're going to go to audio, and we've got audio in here. Yeah, the audio is here. We're going to play the audio. Yeah, we could play it for a certain amount of time. Yeah, but we're going to play the audio. Play the song is called song actually. We'll call the song, we'll give it a name because that might help us later on. We'll call it Song Kill. Yeah, I'm going to hit done. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, so that's literally it. So we'll go to play. Whereabouts is my dude? Where did I leave him? Oh, he's here. So he's going to go like this, and he's going to kill, and he's going to kill. Love that. And then up. See how I'm really bad with playing this game? Can I just drag him up? I can't drag him up. So what I'm going to do, because I'm really bad at playing games, is I'm going to drag him up to there. Yeah, so we can see it a bit better. So I don't have to go through that hard stuff. You guys will be able to do that. Again, if you're struggling, maybe change the jump speed or whatever. So he's going to go along here. He's going to go along here. He's going quite slowly, and he comes through here, hits the. Ooh! Yeah, did you hear that? I hope you heard that music. It was pretty loud. So when he comes through here, hits the music, and the music turns on. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Yeah. And again, you could create all sorts of audio, yeah, and you could create all sorts of things. You could say, when he hits a certain thing, it creates an audio. You bring in your audio wherever you find your audio, and you create to create that sound. So skeleton disco is there. Okay, so I might press stop on that. I'll then go to this collecting cups to win, which is really conceptually difficult to understand, but hopefully you'll get it.